Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you stretch the sounds out in the word and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Stuck. K. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go all together. Stuck. K. Good job, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called Stuck in the Mud. Here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Stuck in the Mud. The children went for a walk. It was a muddy walk. What a muddy path, said Biff. Bah! Bah! What was that? asked Chip. Bah! Bah! What is that? asked Wilma. It's a sheep, said Dad, but put Floppy on a lead. Oh no, said Chip. A sheep is stuck in the mud. The sheep couldn't get out. The mud was too deep. Help me get it out, said Dad. Dad went to help the sheep. He sank into the mud. Wilma and Chip went to help. They sank into the mud. Dad pushed, Wilma and Chip pulled. They got the sheep out. Baa! Baa! went the sheep. Wilma and Chip were muddy. Dad had lost a boot. Wilma went to get Dad's boot. Help! said Wilma. I'm stuck. Uh-oh. Go back to the beginning of the story for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video, listen to me read it again, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button where they will read it for you. On this week's guided reading, we are going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I've put in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your great work.